Good evening. Are you prepared for the examination? Okay. My voice is audible. Please respond.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Uh, are you prepared for examination? Okay. But I am also didn't prepare any question paper. But tomorrow just I'll give you. So today also just will continue the same chapter only. There's some few questions we'll do today. Yesterday examination how to you wrote? I think yesterday sir gave objective test. Is correct? University econometry.
Yes, sir.
How to test? Paper easy or difficult? Or you forget everything?
Sir,
Uh,
some questions I didn't get, so I didn't attempt them, sir.
okay. Okay. That last class, what I gave questions to you? Please tell me that. What we done?
Sir, inverse trigonometry subjective test is tomorrow, no, sir? Sir,
Object is tomorrow, na? Yesterday objective.
subjective.
Subjective.
Tomorrow, right?
Tomorrow.
Sir, objective finish, sir.
Objective yesterday sir given a test. Is correct? Once you tell me that last question that what we done? That last class. Please tell me that last class what we done? I think substitution method we are doing. In substitution method, I gave the fourth type I gave. Is correct? The fourth type is what I gave problem to you the last class.
Integration of 1 by 1 plus tan x.
And I think one more question I gave. Integration of 1 by 1 plus tan x. I had done that problem it is. Yes. And integration of 1 by 1 plus cot x. You got the answer 1 by 1 plus tan x? Please tell me. 1 by 1 plus tan x. You got the answer? The solution I gave for you? Or I stopped at the middle of that only?
So you gave, sir.
Very good. And the next one you can do that. Is the first mode, first varieties. And second one, integration of 1 by 1 plus cot x. 1 plus cot x into dx. These are the more important for 3 marks questions. It's more important. Because in this question especially we have some small logic is there because we are not getting any idea. Compulsory to the numerator we have to add and subtract something. Understood? So then only we are getting. Okay. Same. Start now. Counting into sin and cos first immediately. This one you can write now integration of 1 by 1 plus cos x by sin x. Cos x by sin x. Then you can take LCM here. Take LCM integration of 1 by this is the sin x plus cos x whole by sin x into dx. This one take reciprocal now. Integration of sin x by sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x into dx. Okay. Now here already previously we done that one. Multiply and divide by 2. Is correct. Multiply and divide by 2. Always we are doing that one. Later just we are adding and some subtracting some other thing. Then we are writing the separately. And we are doing that one integration. Okay, that method you know very well that. So multiply and divide by 2. Multiply and divide by 2. So 1 by 2 into integration of 2 sin x whole by, this one you can write now sin x plus cos x into dx. Sin x plus cos x into dx now. Now the 2 sin x you can write now 1 by 2 into integration of sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x plus sin x minus cos x, sin x minus cos x whole by sin x plus cos x into dx. Then you can write separate. This is the first term you can take, the second term you can take, write separately. So 1 by 2 into integration of sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x by sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x plus, and second one plus sin x minus cos x by, correct or no?
Sir,
Yes, tell
sir,
me.
how did you get sin x plus cos x plus sin x minus cos x?
Here now just I am adding and subtracting cos x. Okay, the 2 sin x can be written as a sin x plus sin x, sin x plus sin x, and plus cos x minus cos x. This will be cancelled anyhow. It should be equal to the same thing only.
Okay.
Okay, then I am taking the separately now. This is the first term and this is the second term here. So first term by denominator and second term by denominator. Okay, so sin x plus cos x into dx here. Anyhow, this will be cancelled. So 1 by 2 into integration of 1 plus. Alright, if you want, you can write separately. Integration of 1 into dx plus integration of sin x minus cos x whole by sin x plus cos x into dx. Sin x plus cos x into dx. Okay. Then integration of 1 into dx equal to, you can take here x only. You can take here x. So 1 by 2 into integration of 1 into dx equal to x plus. But coming to the second one, compulsory we have to do the substitution method. That is, you can done yourself that one. But I am writing direct answer. Log modulus of sin x plus cos x. Okay, plus c. How it is value? Because numerator is the differentiation of denominator. I mean, integration of f dash of x by f of x is equal to log modulus of f of x plus c. Log modulus of f of x plus c. But here, but don't in examination, don't write direct step it is. If you want, you can take the second term separately. You can do the substitution method. Let sin x plus cos x equal to t. You can take. You can differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Then we are getting the numerator. In terms of dt, we are getting then the dx plus the dt by some value you can substitute in there
Sir,
and verify it.
will it be a minus, sir?
Minus here
Yes, sir, if we take that sin x plus cos x is t, then
minus
dt will be.
minus of take minus common you can take. No problem, no issue at all.
So in answer,
Suppose if taken here now, let sin x plus cos x equal to, we are taking t means this is the cos x minus sin x. I am correct? Equal to dt by dx. Dt by dx. From this you
Yes,
can
sir.
take minus common. Minus sin x minus of sin x minus cos x minus cos x equal to dt by dx. Dt by dx. So dx equal to what we are getting? Dt by minus of sin x minus cos x. This one you can substitute in there. That means here we'll get this value. This is the minus we are getting.
Yes, sir.
Answer.
Or else log 1 by sin x.
Yes, yes. That is we'll get now minus. All of you write clearly and you can complete it. Okay. The previous one, this one, both the questions are important only. Integration of 1 by 1 plus tan x and integration of 1 by 1 plus cot x. The two are important. In the same way, I'll give the one more question to you. After this problem, you can try yourself. Integration of 1 by 1 minus tan x. 1 minus tan x into dx. Okay. Same model. Just once you can try yourself and tell me answer to me. Integration of 1 by 1 plus tan x will be done. Integration of 1 by 1 plus cot x also be done. This is the third question now. Integration of 1 by 1 minus tan x. Integration of 1 by 1 minus tan x. Same, counting into sin and cos. Later, multiply and divide by 2. Same process, multiply and divide by 2. Just you can expand it. Maybe you can add and subtract maybe sin or cos. Later you can write now. Clear it is a plus b by 2 equal a plus b by c equal to a by c plus b by c. So like that you can write separately first. Later you can do the integration. I think this is after counting this, then what you get integration of cos x by, I think cos x minus sin x. Cos x minus sin x we are getting into dx. Same. Then multiply and divide by 2. Multiply and divide by 2. Then you can solve.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, 1 by 2 log of log modulus cos x minus sin x plus x plus c.
1 by 2 log
Log,
modulus of cos x minus sin x.
yes, sir, plus
Ah.
x plus c.
But is the minus 1 1 by 2 into log, it is the positive or negative?
So 1 by 2 will come minus 1 by 2. So
Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 log modulus of cos x minus sin x is correct. Plus x by 2 plus c. All of you got the answer? The same thing? All of you got the answer same? Same, just you can multiply and divide by 2. Multiply and divide by 2. So, this is 1 by 2 into integration of, this is the 2 cos x by cos x minus sin x. Cos x minus sin x into dx. Into dx. Now just you can know, we know very well that one 1 by 2 integration of, this one we have to get means, then cos x minus sin x, cos x minus sin x, and plus cos x you can write, whole by cos x minus sin x into dx. The procedure will be same thing only. So 1 by 2 into integration of, you write separately, you will get 1 plus, this is the cos x plus, sorry, this is the sin x now, cos x plus sin x whole by cos x minus sin x into dx. Then we can write separately here 1 by 2 into integration of 1 into dx one thing, and the integration of cos x plus sin x whole by cos x minus sin x into dx. Sin x into dx. Here compulsory we have to do the substitution method. I think the substitute differentiation of cos x minus sin x equal to, then what we are getting this value, minus of, then we'll get positivities. So clearly here we'll get now minus. So that answer is we'll get plus x by 2 minus 1 by 2 into log modulus of cos x minus sin x plus c, the answer. Okay. Next.
sir, how did you get that as cos minus the second step, sir? I didn't understand.
This one, na?
Yes, sir.
See now, after multiply divided by 2 cos x we got now. The 2 cos x you can write now cos x plus cos x. But just one time, because our combination is only cos and
So
sin
then
only.
why we need minus sin x?
Yes,
and
minus sin x plus sin x. These will be cancelled. That means just we are, it's like equivalent. Understood now? But whatever we do in the changes, but it should be equal to the previous step only. Your minus and positive will be cancelled because once again is denominator here. Cos x minus sin x is there. Is correct. Means we have to cancel something, definitely required now minus sin x. But in the previous step, minus sin x not there. That's why we're taking immediately plus sin x also. Okay.
Sir, if that minus and minus would get cancelled, sir, then how in the third step it is cos x plus sin x plus cos x minus sin x, sir?
Here, first this is the
Yes, sir.
this is the first term, this is the second term. Okay. So first term by this denominator plus second term by denominator. But these two will be, I think, same. So with these two will cancel, we'll get 1 plus. And cos x plus sin x by cos x minus sin x, right, as it is. Okay. Then 1 by 2 into, but integration belongs to the both the terms here now. So 1 by 2 into integration of 1 into dx plus integration of cos x plus sin x by cos x minus sin x into dx. Okay. Then you can take. Okay. Clear now? Next, Just you can try one more question now. Integration of log x whole square by x into dx. Log x whole square by x into dx. This is they're asking already previous CBSE 2011. Log x whole square by x into dx. Start now. Same. Already we done the substitution method. In the same once you can try it. Next. Integration of 1 plus log x whole square by x into dx. By x into dx. Try it. Nothing happened it is, but don't wait for me. First, once you can try yourself. But you're not getting means I will tell that. Because just you're trying yourself means then you will get more idea and easily you will get everything.
So the seventh one is log x whole cube by 3.
Log x whole cube by 3
3.
plus c. Very good. Log x whole cube by 3 plus c. Correct. Remaining got the answer? Remaining got the answer? Remaining students, you got the answer for this one?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Yes, yes, same thing. Just you can take here.
So we take log x as t, no, sir?
That's all. Substitute log x equal to t you can take, and 1 by x equal to dt by dx, then dx equal to dt into x. The next and x will be cancelled. Anyway, we got now log x whole square integration we have to take. So log x whole cube by 3 plus c. Yes, in the same here also you can do now.
So that's the integration of just log x square, sir. That log x cubed by 3.
No. Here you can take now. Let log x equal to t you can take.
So that is different method of getting that same answer, sir.
No. Oh yes, different, not different method. The same method only. Substitution method I am taking.
Okay, sir.
This is equal to I am taking t. Different with respect to t now. So what I get 1 by x equal to dt by dx. It's correct. Then dx equal to dt into x. Dt into x now. So the dt into x in place of dx you can substitute in there. So integration of t square by x into dt into x here. X and x will be cancelled. So integration of t square into dt. T square equal clearly we know that one t cube by 3 plus c. But anyhow t equal to how much? We have taken log x. So log x whole cube by 3 plus c. Log x whole cube by 3 plus c. Okay. Next. Okay. The same next one. This complete thing can take as x here now. 1 plus log x equal to take t. Next you can do this. Integration of 1 by x plus x log x into dx. Here also we get the same answer.
So it's 1 plus log x whole cube by 3 plus c.
That's all. Very good. What about this answer? No, this is the 1 plus log x whole cube by 3 plus c. What is the answer? Same procedure. Just you can take here now. 1 plus log x equal to take t. Okay. Here what we'll do? First here
So
x
we'll
you can
take
take
x
common.
common, sir.
1 plus log x. 1 plus log x into dx. Then you can follow the same procedure. So 1 plus log x equal to t you can take and find it. So 1 plus log x equal to t and differentiate now it's become the 0. So 1 by x equal to dt by dx, dt by dx now. Then dx equal to x into dt. All you can substitute in there. So integration of 1 by x into t into x into dt. So these will be cancelled. Integration of 1 by t equal to how much? Log t na? Log modulus of t plus c. So you can write now log modulus of 1 plus log x plus c. 1 plus log x plus c. Okay. So, very easy. Very just once we got the idea means then it's very easy. Next. This is a very easy problem to you. Just 1 second, try yourself only. 2x by 1 plus x square into dx. Wait, very easy, simple question. Okay, x plus 1 into, first complete this question all of you. Later you can solve this. 10th one, what is the answer? Please tell me. 10th one, no? If 10th one you solved means, then 11th question I will solve that.
Log modulus of 1 plus x square plus c.
Log modulus of, yes, 1 plus x square plus c. Very good. Because this entire thing can take here, no t here. That's all. 1 plus x square equal to take t. So 2x equal to dt by dx, dt by dx. Then I can write now. When you have dx equal to dt by 2x, we are getting, then 2x will be cancelled. This is the 1 by t. 1 by t equal to log modulus of t. But t equal to, already we are taking the substitution 1 plus x square. Later I can substitute in there. Okay.
Sir,
Ah.
sir, can we take x is equal to tan x and then solve?
X equal to here,
Tan, sir. Sir, 10th, sir.
10th question. No. Whole thing you can take because you have a differentiation of constant equal 0 only, no? Is correct?
Yes,
Instead
sir.
of, suppose you are taking here, no, x means only x square equal to t means, then what we are getting only 2x. But 1 plus t we got now. Then 1 plus t, then what we are, okay, then how can you solve that? Is correct? Just directly we are taking the complete denominator is equal to t means any have differentiation of constant equal to 0 and x square equal to 2x we are getting, so 2x equal dt by dx, then dx equal to dt by 2x, just you can substitute in there now, and 2x and 2x will be cancelled, so 1 by t into dt equal to 1 by t into dt equal to, you can find it. Okay, but coming to this question now, this is also very easy only. Directly here you can take here, no, let x plus log x equal to t, you can take x plus log x equal to t, you can take, and differentiate with respect to x now, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of x equal to, will get 1 plus 1 by x equal to dt by dx, dt by dx. Now the same thing only, then what will do, first you can take x LCM, you can take, so x plus 1 into dx is equal to dt, dx also right side now, so therefore dx equal to, clearly we got now x by x plus 1 into dt. So in place of dx, this value you can substitute in there now, and this is equal to, you can take t here, directly get the answer. So integration of x plus 1 into, anyhow this is, we are taking t here now, so t square you can write now, t square by x into the dt by, anyhow dx equal to, we got x by x plus 1 into dt. These two will be cancelled and these two also cancel. So integration of t square into dt. T square equal, then what are getting, t cube by 3 plus c now. And anyhow t equal to x plus log x, x plus log x whole cube whole by 3 plus c, whole by 3 plus 3. Answer.
Sir,
Sir,
I didn't understand why you took t as x plus log x.
Because the center thing, because anyhow we required x plus 1 by x required. That's correct. Integration, differentiation x equal to, we are getting 1. Log x equal to 1 by x. Take LCM now. X LCM is the only x plus 1. So x plus 1 by x. But clearly we have x plus 1 by x is there. Easily will get cancelled that one. Is correct now? That's why I'm taking directly. The centered thing I'm taking as a substitution. X plus log x equal to, I took here now t.
Okay.
Suppose we are taking here log x equal to t means differentiation log x equal to, then what we get? 1 by x only. Maybe we'll get cancel only x. And what about this values here now? This x and this x. Because once we take the substitution means clear, compulsory we have to change. In place of dx we have to dt. We know very well that. Is correct? Next. Integration of 12th one, 1 by x into log x into log x whole power m into dx. Integration of 1 by x into log x whole power m into dx.
So log modulus
Ah.
m log x plus c.
Log modulus of
M log x plus c.
m log x means no. I'll do that one. First, what are taking substitution? Please tell me here now.
Log
Substitution,
x
please
is
tell me.
equal to t.
Ah, very good. Let log x equal to t. Then 1 by x equal to, we got now dt by dx. 1 by x equal to, you can write now dt by dx. Then dx equal to, you can write clearly x into dt. X into dt. Now all you can substitute in there. Integration of 1 by x into t power m into x into dt. These will be cancelled. Now integration of this 1 by t power m equal to, you can write now t power minus m into dt now. So integration of t power minus m equal to, you can write now t power minus m plus 1 whole by minus m plus 1 plus c. Is correct now? So anyhow t equal to, we know that one, log x whole power 1 minus m whole by 1 minus m plus c. This is the answer. Previous what you got, tell me, Banu? I think he told one answer.
Sir,
Uh,
I took 1 by t power m now, sir. So log of t power m I took, sir.
okay, this is the answer for that. Because 1 by t power m equal to, but directly integration we are not taking. But differentiation means we'll apply the quotient rule and then we will do that one. But here for taking like that, it's not possible. Okay. So compulsory the denominator value you can write in the numerator and you can solve. Next. Thirteenth one, integration of sin x into sin of cos x into dx. This is also they're asking previous so many times it is. I think 2014 is there and for 2016 also they are asking examination. Integration of sin x into sin of cos x into dx. Same by using substitution method we have to do. Yes, come it fast that. Take cos x equal to t, cos x equal to t. t you can take.
So cos of cos x plus c.
Cos of cos x plus
C.
correct only. I think yes, it is the only 2 to 3 students only responding. And what about remaining? Because suppose you are telling clearly means then I understood that. Suppose you are not getting also nothing happen, please respond. Otherwise I don't know are you getting or not. Because anyhow we know very well this is the more important topic and a more important chapter. We know very well that. So all of you, all the students must interact with me. Yes, first you can take here now let cos x equal to take t. Differentiation of x equal to we know that one minus sin x equal to dt by dx and dx equal to minus dt by sin x minus dt by sin x. Okay, that one I can substitute in there. So integration of sin x into this we can write clearly sin t into minus dt by sin x minus dt by sin x, and this will be cancelled. And anyhow integration of minus you can take outside now. Sin x into minus integration of sin t into dt, integration of sin t equal to minus cos t plus c, and minus into minus equal to clearly we got now this is the cos t plus c, and t equal to we know very well that t equal to cos x, so already we have taken the substitution, so cos of cos x plus c, cos of cos x plus c. And now just I will ask one of the student here now, and compulsory the student okay, they have to tell the answer.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, how should I find out that what needs to be substituted, sir, in the equation? I mean, in the question.
okay, I will tell that one. Actually, all of you should remember that very clearly. That one, whatever we are taking the subtraction, okay, substitution. No? After differentiating and substituting there, completely we have to eliminate some of the terms. We have to eliminate some of the terms. That too, when you are taking the substitution, what happened that in place of dx we replace in the dt. That means all the terms compulsory we have to get in terms of t. Like that, once you can see clearly and verify that. Now in this question also sin x into sin of cos x is there. Suppose if taken cos x equal to t here, and differentiation of cos x equal to we know very well that minus sin x. Anyhow, this will come in that one denominator only. Clearly the 2 will be cancelled. The remaining term it's become that clearly sin t only. That means whatever we taken the integration means completely, and whatever we got the parameter here with respect to that parameter we have to integrate. Understood now? And previous, once you can see the previous all the questions after we are taking the substitution and differentiation, but we are not getting in terms of x the remaining values. Completely it will be changes into in terms of t only. Is correct? Correct only, no? But we are not getting in terms of some other thing. Now here also take the same thing. Let it ax plus b equal to t you can take. So differentiate with respect to t x on both sides. So a equal to dt by dx. Then dx equal to you can write now dt by a. Dt by a. Because a is a constant value. Happily will take outside. Happily will take now out this value. So integration of sin t into dx, but dx equal already just now we got that the dt by a we got. and 1 by a is the constant you can take outside. So 1 by a into integration of minus integration of sin t into dt. Integration of sin t equal to what we are getting? Minus cos t plus c. Is correct? And t equal to anyhow we took the substitution ax plus b only, and minus cos of ax plus b plus c now. This one you can write clearly, minus cos of ax plus b minus cos of ax plus b whole by a plus c. Whole by a plus c.
Sir, it can
Ah.
also be done like first we can integrate like a shortcut method. Like
That
first
also.
we
Yes,
can
correct
integrate
only.
the outside
Yes,
one,
yes.
then integrate the inside one, divide in the
We can do.
denominator, get by
Directly into the integration.
differentiation of that.
Directly, no need
Inside.
to take substitution also. If you take in direct integration also, what happened? Integration of sin x equal to minus cos. So minus cos of ax plus b by this one equal to the quotient x equal to a is there. So whole by a plus c. The right answer. Means we'll get for one more question. The same problem only. Suppose we are taken the multiplication, then what we had to do? That one I can write now. Integration of sin of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b into dx. Integration of sin of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b into dx. Yes, this one I can do that. Now in this case, then what will be the substitution? In this case, only we will take ax plus b the substitution, or we will take either the whole thing will do the substitution.
Cause thing, sir.
Whole thing, because anyhow it is a we know very well that one. Suppose if taken sin of ax plus b equal to t, and differentiation of sin theta equal to we know cos theta. So cos of ax plus b into a is correct. Then directly we'll get cancelled that cos of ax plus b. The problem is very easy. Let sin of ax plus b is equal to take t here now and differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So clearly this is the cos of ax plus b. Cos of ax plus b into a is equal to dt by dx. Dt by dx. So dx equal to dt by a into cos of ax plus b, cos of ax plus b. This one I can substitute in there now. Substitute in there. So integration of this is we are taking t here now. T into cos of ax plus b into dt by a into cos of ax plus b. And this will be cancelled. Anyhow 1 by a is the constant. Take 1 by a outside. Integration of t into dx. So 1 by a into the t square by 2 plus c. Anyhow t equal to we know that one. Sin of ax plus b, sin of ax plus b means the whole square means the whole by 2 you can take by 1 by 2a plus c is the answer. Because the sin theta whole square or else it is a sin square theta. Both are same.
Finish, sir.
Finish. Next. One more you can write now. Integration of 1 by x minus root x into dx.
Sir, integration of
1 by x minus root x into dx. Integration of 1 by x minus root x. Once try now. Try yourself. Anyone got the answer for this one? Please tell me here what you will take the substitution here.
So
In
I
this
will
question?
take
Ah.
x only, sir.
Okay, suppose we are taking x.
sir. What is the? I'm getting 1 by x into 0.
Okay,
dx,
suppose
sir.
you, okay, this is the question now. 1 by x minus root x into dx. 1 by x minus root x into dx. This is the question now. Suppose you are taking only x here, then what are you getting? But x equal to again we got 1 is correct. 1 minus 1 by 2 root x like this. Correct all in? That means all of you do one thing here now. But in this question compulsory, we have to take some term from the common from the denominator. That is, then how to will take means suppose I am taking root x common here. I'm taking root x common. So what about the remaining term now? Root x minus 1 is correct. Root x minus 1. Because root x into root x equal to x only. Plus into minus minus and root x into 1 equal to root x. Now I think now we are taking the substitution here. Root x minus 1 equal to t means root x minus 1 into equal to t. In anyhow, differentiation of 1 equal to 0 only. And root x equal to what we are getting? 1 by 2 root x in is equal to dt by dx. Correct now? Then dx equal to 2 root x into dt. Now clearly root x will be cancelled. And 1 by 2 is the constant value we will take outside. And root x minus 1 equal to you can substitute in t there. Then directly we will get the answer for that. That's why he said in integration, because we are taking that one problem means then we are doing that one some different methods here. But we are taking the same method, but we have to do starting some few changes now. But definitely in this case, we are taking here now x equal to, all of you 1 minute. Yes, sir. Sir. Physics చేసాడు సార్ అయిపోయింది సార్ అది మామూలుగా పేపర్లో కరెక్షన్ చేసి పేపర్ రాసి పంపించారు వచ్చేసాయి మనకు నాకు అర్థం లేదు కానీ పేపర్ అయితే రాసి పంపించేసాడు అవునవును పేరు రాసేసి పేపర్లో మాట్లాడి పంపించేసాడు అవును ఈవెన్ అవును సార్, ఈవెన్ కన్నడ కూడా అయిపోయింది సార్, కన్నడ కూడా చేసాడు ఆయన. కన్నడ అయిపోయింది. సోషల్ చేస్తా ఉన్నాను సార్. ఏమో పేపర్లో చేసి రాసుకుని వచ్చాడు ఇక్కడ ఈవినింగ్ ఎంత అరౌండ్. సరే సార్. అవునవును, మనకు తెలియదు కదా వచ్చేసి, రేపు చెక్ చేసేస్తూ ఉంటాం సార్. అవునవును. నేను అడుగుతాను సార్ అది. మన పీపీటీ రాలేదు కదా సార్ అది. Okay, you got now? You got the answer for this one? Tell me answer this question. Already we done that. Root x will be cancelled. 1 by 2 is the constant we will take outside. No. 2 is the constant outside. And 2 into integration of 1 by t into dt. 1 by t means you can t power minus, already know log x it is. So 2 log modulus of root x minus 1 plus c is the answer for that.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, why we cannot take x common, sir?
I will tell that. Suppose you've taken x common here, then what about remaining? Please tell me that. From the denominator we are taking x common. Then what will get? 1 minus. From the root x, then how can you take x common?
Sir, x to the power 1 by 2.
Suppose you've taken here, no, actually root x equal to x power 1 by 2 only. Root x equal to x power 1 by 2. Now from this one, we are taking one x common, means then what about remaining there now? Is correct? The remaining we have to get. Hello? Sir. Sir? మామూలు డైరెక్ట్గా కావాలి చేసాడు వచ్చేసి. నేను ఈ నైట్ వర్క్ చేస్తాను సార్. మన మార్క్స్ అన్నీ వచ్చేసి నేను సపరేట్ చేసుకుంటాను అన్నింటినీ చేసుకుంటే. లేదు, ఆల్రెడీ వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చేసాను సార్, వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చేసాను. మనకి 12 1 13 డేట్. అవును సార్, మార్నింగ్ పంపించారు, ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ పంపించారు. అవును సార్. ఓకే సార్. సరే సార్. సరే సార్. అవును, చూశాను సార్ నేను. అవునవును, నేను చూశాను సార్, మొత్తం కాంగ్రెస్ చూశాను. సరే, మనకి టైం ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి రేపు ఏదైనా ట్రై చేద్దాం సార్ ఒకసారి, మనం ఇంకోసారి చేంజెస్ చేసి. అవును సార్. ఓకే సార్. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. Okay, so actually my principals are called. Right now, I think here you asked what it is. Okay, from this one we are taking x common, but how to take common from the root x? Okay, suppose in any case, suppose we are changing root x into some other number and we are taking common also. Later, suppose we are taking the substitution also, I think it's not possible. Okay. So
Yes,
that is
sir.
also one of the reason here. So instead of that, we are taking root x directly common means, so then our problem is become that very easy. Okay. Are going to become that very easy. So that is the main reason. Right, next
Okay,
one.
sir.
One more right now. Integration of integration of x by e power x square into dx. X by e power x square into dx. I think now here we will take directly because possibilities are there. Maybe we are taking that x equal to t means, but integration of differentiation of x equal to will get one constant value. So this is not possible. So we take x square means, differentiation x square equal to 2x we are getting. That means clearly the next x will be cancelled. Then easily we'll do that. Okay. Complete fast. Let x square equal to t. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides now. Then 2x equal to dt by dx. 2x equal to dt by dx. That implies dx equal to, then what we are getting, dt by 2x now. You can substitute in there integration of x by e power t into dt by 2x. Then now x will be cancelled. So 1 by 2 you can take outside now. Integration of 1 by e power t into dt. So 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by e power t equal, you can write now e power minus t into dt. So 1 by 2 into e power minus t plus 1 by minus t plus 1 plus c. Correct now. So e power 1 minus t whole by 2 into 1 minus t plus c. Then you can replace with the x square. In place of t you can write now. So e power 1 minus x square whole by 2 into 1 minus x square plus c. 2 into 1 minus x square plus c.
Sir, integration of e power x is
E power x only, na?
Yes, sir.
Where did I mistake now? This is, we can't take that one. So then what you get is, tell me this value now. Whole by
E
minus
power minus t by
minus e power minus t. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Plus c. That means what we are getting in this value now is the minus 1 by 2 into e power minus x square plus c. Here we will get compulsory minus we are getting because it is the whole by minus 1. Okay. It's fine. Very good. Next. I think e power 10 inverse 6, we didn't do that one. That also you can write. Seventeenth one, integration of e power 10 inverse x whole by 1 plus x square into dx. E power 10 inverse x by 1 plus x square into dx.
Sir, so why minus 1 by 2, sir? In the previous question.
Here,
Yes, sir.
but integration of e power minus t is there, na? But e
Yes,
power
sir.
minus t equal to what? E power minus t into whole by minus 1. Whole by minus 1.
Okay,
So
sir.
the minus we are taking in front of this. Okay. Here also same. Let tan inverse of x equal to take t. Tan inverse of x equal to take t here. And differentiation tan inverse x equal to, we know that 1 by 1 plus x square equal to dt by dx. Dt by dx. So therefore, dx equal to 1 plus x square into dt. That one you can substitute in there now. Integration of e power t whole by 1 plus x square into But dx equal to, we got that 1 plus x square into dt, and this will be cancelled. So integration of e power t into dt. Integration of e power t equal to e power t only, e power t plus c. So e power t equal to e power tan inverse of x plus c. E power tan inverse of x plus c. In the first book time, the maximum strength is there, but coming to the integration, it's become that very less strength. Only 12 or 13 will be present. Integration of sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square. Very easy question. Integration of sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square.
Sin inverse x whole square by 2.
Sin inverse x whole square by 2 na?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Sin inverse x whole square by 2 plus c. But plus c don't forget. Sin inverse x
So will they cut marks if you not write plus c, sir?
plus c is compulsory.
So will they cut marks if we not write plus c?
I didn't get you.
Will they cut marks in exam, sir? If you not write plus c by mistake.
Plus c means definitely they'll cut the marks there. But suppose in examination, but you're not writing plus c there means they'll cut the marks. Compulsory we have to write. Okay. Next, 19th one. Integration of cos x by integration of cos x by root of 1 plus sin x into dx. Here also very easy. Here also very easy one. Just very easily will get the answer for that. 1 plus sin x equal to, we are taking t. 1 plus sin x equal to t. Then you can differentiate and substitute in there, you will get the answer for that. Yes, you can try yourself because already I done so many problems I done. Just try yourself and tell me answer to. But if anyone not getting answer means please tell to me. I'll do that.
2 root of 1 plus sin x plus c.
2 root of 1 plus sin x plus c. Very good. 2 root of 1 plus sin x plus c. 1 plus sin x plus c. Very good. All of you got the answer? Same answer? All of you got the same answer? Very easy. Just directly can take here. Now 1 plus sin x equal to take t. Differentiate 0. This is the cos x. So dx equal to dt by cos x. The 2 will be cancelled. So 1 by root t. 1 by root t equal to, is correct or not? Integration of 1 by root t. I think previous I gave the formula to you. 2 root x. Integration of 1 by root x is equal to 2 root x. So 2 into root x. But x equal to already t we are taking 1 plus sin x plus c. Next. Integration of sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square into dx. Integration of sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square into dx. It also very easy. This is equal to, you can take t. Directly we'll get the answer. Yeah, start now. Very easy. Simple
1
question.
by 1 plus cos x.
1
plus
by
c.
1 plus cos x plus c.
plus c.
Very good. But all the problems are only bottom only telling answer. Then what about remaining? 1 by 1 plus cos x plus c. Very easy one. You know, first you can take here. Let 1 plus cos x equal to t. You can take. Let 1 plus cos x equal to t. So this is the minus sin x equal to dt by dx. Then the dx equal to, you can write now, minus dt by sin x. Minus dt by sin x. So you can substitute in there now. So integration of sin x by t square into minus dt by sin x. And these will be cancelled. Minus take outside. 1 by t square into dt. So minus of integration of this one equal, you can write now t power minus 2 into dt only. So minus t power minus 2 plus 1 by, it is the minus 2 plus 1 plus c here. And any here t power minus 2 plus 1 equal to minus 1 means for reciprocal you can take. And minus 2 plus 1 equal to minus 1. Minus into minus equal to, clearly we got plus. So this is the 1 by t plus c. 1 by t equal to 1 by 1 plus cos x. 1 by 1 plus cos x plus c. First one, integration of x square by 2 plus 3x cube whole cube into dx. This is one of the important question, especially for PU. Integration of x square by 2 plus 3x cube whole cube into dx. Integration of x square by 2 plus 3x cube whole cube into dx. Very easy. Just directly can take this is equal to t denominator, because then you have differential constant equal to 0, and 3x cube equal to, we got no 3 3s are 9, 9x square, and x square will get cancelled there. And the t cube means t power minus 3, and plus 1 you can take, that means 1 by t square will get 1 by t square. So 2 9s are, you get 18.
Sir,
Ah.
getting 2 plus 3x x square whole to the power minus 2 by minus 2 plus c.
T, tell me one more time that.
So 2 plus 3x square whole to the power minus 2 by minus 2 plus c.
But it is the 2 plus 2x cube will get in denominator, but it's not in numerator. Not in numerator. This is will get to 9x square equal to dt by dx. Dt by dx. Then dx equal to dt by 9x square. Substitute in there now. Integration of x square by, this is the clearly can write now d cube into dt by 9x square. These will be cancelled. So 1 by 9 you can take outside. So 1 by t cube into dt. So 1 by 9 into 1 by 9 into integration of 1 by t cube equal to, you can write now t power minus 3. Integration of t power minus 3 into dt. So 1 by 9 into t power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1 plus c. So 1 by 9 into this one you can write now t power minus 2 by minus 2 is correct plus c. So you can write clearly that one. The minus into plus equal will get minus. So minus 1 by 18 into t power minus 2 equal to, you can write 1 by t square plus c. So minus 1 by 18 into t equal to, anyhow we got 2 plus 3x cube whole square plus c. Anyone got this answer? Anyone?
Sir,
Yes, sir,
I just forgot to multiply by 9.
Multiply by 9. Yes. Because differentiation of here now 3x cube equal to 3 3s are 9. 9x square. Next. Second one, integration of x by 9 minus 4x square into dx. You know, same, the full thing you can take here not t, because the differentiation of constant equal to 0. And this is only 8x, and x will get easily cancel that. Anyone got the answer? Sanchit, please respond. Sanchit.
Sir,
What the answer?
sir, I'm getting minus log
Minus log
mod of 4,
Ah.
9 4x square plus c.
So minus 1 by 8.
Minus 1 by 8. Now also I think you done the same mistake you done. Is correct? Let
Yes,
we
sir,
are
once
taking here now 9 minus 4x square equal to t means this is the minus 8x equal to dt by dx. Again you forget this about this minus 8 here. So minus dt by 8x.
Yes, sir, I just forgot.
Both they can substitute the integration of x by 8x. Sorry, this is the t only. T into minus dt by 8x. Xx will be cancelled. Now 1 by 8 you can take outside. Minus 1 by 8 you can take common now. Minus 1 by 8 integration of 1 by t into dt. So minus 1 by 8 into log modulus of t plus c. And any of t equal, we are taking the substitution here now. Minus 1 by 8 into log modulus of 9 minus 4x square. 9 minus 4x square plus c. (23) today just I'll give a few problems to you. Okay, once you can try yourself and come. Okay. These questions once you can try yourself. Integration of cos of root x by root x into dx. One thing. And 24th one, integration of secant square of 7 minus 4x into dx. And 25th one, integration of tan square of 2x minus 3 into 2x minus 3 into dx. The three questions all of you but try yourself. Very easy only. Just you can tell me now, anyone. In question number 23, here what will take the substitution? Substitution what will take?
Under root x.
That's all, under root x. Because if taken root x equal to means the differentiation root x equal to 1 by 2 root x. Anyhow 2 root x is there now. You get cancel that. Is the only cos t. You get directly answer. And second one, and Chirag don't tell anything. Banu and Chirag and remaining just take and keep quiet. Remaining will tell. For second one, what will be the substitution here? Kaushalya, please respond.
Yes, sir.
In 24th question, then what will be the substitution?
7 minus 4x.
7 minus 4x. Yes, because it is anyhow 7 equal to constant means 0 only, and minus 4x equal will get minus 4. So minus 4 constant will take outside, but secant square t equal to already we have formula is there. Very good. Next. Ritesh, please respond now. Ritesh. For 25th question, what will be the substitution here? 2x minus 3. Okay. Suppose you taken 2x minus 3 means 2 is the constant, you will take outside. It's fine that. But integration of tan square x, we have formula is there. Integration of tan square t, any formula we have? No. No, then what we'll do? Integration of tan square t equal to, we don't have any formula. Then what we'll do that? We know the first identity. Tan square x equal to secant square x minus 1. I think we know this one. Correct? identity we have in trigonometry. Now this identity we have to substitute there now. Then integration of secant square t, we know that. And 1 equal to any here will get t only. And all of you should remember that integration of tan square, we don't have any formula. Integration of secant square formula is there, but integration of tan square no formula. So immediately any problem, suppose we got integration of tan square theta or tan square x something, in place of tan square we have to write immediately secant square minus 1. This is by using second identity of trigonometry. Second identity of trigonometry you can utilize. Then you can integrate directly. Okay. Then you can integrate. Okay, today the 3 questions, so you can do practice that, and most probably it is the one more class will complete the substitution method, all the questions. Then we will go into the partial fractions. The substitution still so many models are there. But for all of you, for tomorrow, just prepared well for the examination. Tomorrow I'll give the test to you.
Tomorrow what time, sir?
Same our class time will be 7 o'clock. Okay.
Okay, sir.
7 to
30
7.
marks test, sir.
7 to 7:45. I'll give 20 marks only. It's not 30 marks. 20 marks only I'll give. 7 to 7:45 test. Again from 7:45 to 8:30 discussion. Okay.
Sir, inverse trigonometry, sir.
Inverse trigonometry.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.